हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सॉल्व कर रहे हैं सीयूईटी पीजी इकोनॉमिक्स 2023 का पेपर। और आज का सवाल है रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस केयरफुल एंड आइडेंटिफाई एन एरर। ये एक्चुअली एक सिंगल सेंटेंस है। शी परसिस्टेड टू गो टू द मार्केट अलोन इन स्पाइट माई एडवाइस दैट शी वुड नॉट बी सेफ। मतलब मना करने के बावजूद वो मार्केट में गई। ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है? शी। वर्ब क्या है? परसिस्टेड। इन्फिनिट फ्रेज है टू गो टू द मार्केट। ठीक है, ये वाला पोर्शन है अपना वर्ब। एंड propositional phrase है ये, and dependent clause है that would be safe. So each of the following function is correctly within the sentence and there is no issue with the subject verb agreement punctuation and the word uses. Therefore option 1, which indicates there is no error, is the answer here. So option number 1. Okay, next is 7. I'm really exhausted. I had to rest for the last 2 days. Replace the underlined incorrect verb with respect to the correct word. So I had will be replaced here. Have. Okay. So this will be replaced by have. And the past perfect tense used is the indicator of the action. So in this case, the speaker is stating that he is exhausted because of this given structure. So in this case, this had will be replaced with have. So this is we have done. So next is question number 8. 8 में चलेंगे. 8 में is the director of the company will speak shortly on the vision of the project. So identify the adverbial error. यहाँ पर में we have to go. And the shortly of this sentence, one of the needs correction. So the adverb shortly suggests that the director will speak in a brief project of time, but it doesn't convey the intended meaning of providing the conciseness. So the correct adverb of this text is briefly. So not exactness is given, so इसे हम लोग briefly से replace कर सकते हैं. Question number 9 में है. One of the option is given below. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर है फ्रेंचाइजी accommodation. Accommodation क्या है? ACOMODATION. Okay, ACCOMODATION. Okay, spelled incorrectly spelled. Okay, and then साइकोलॉजी PSYCHYLOGY is right. तो यहाँ पर मैं सॉरी माई मिस्टेक, दिस इज डबल एम. ये डबल एम नहीं दिया, इट्स अ सिंगल एम. सो एकोमोडेशन इज द करेक्ट आंसर इन दिस केस. सो इट्स एक्चुअली द रॉन्ग आंसर इन दिस केस. ओके, नेक्स्ट 9 इज डन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में चलेंगे. हियर his affluence was evident on the way he was dressed, so his house he lived, and the car he drove. Chose the word that is opposite in meaning of the word in bold. Affluence. Affluence, what is the opposite? That is destitution. Destitution means in economic struggle. However, means extreme poverty and lack of resources. So here destitution is the answer to our question.